Hello everyone, my Pack and Roll by Olympia tools just arrived. Let's open it up and see what's in the box. That's what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. No assembly required. So to collapse it again, you just lift this and away you go. And you can store it, wheel it around, and you're ready to turn it into a shelf again. Just that simple. So, upright position, and sturdy. So, it also has wheel locks down here, so I can keep this from rolling away. Let's see, does it have two? Yeah, it does. So yeah, that's pretty sweet. I think this is going to be a great thing to have in the house for just organizing things and being able to pull this out, like maybe for tools or music equipment, recording equipment, just to be able to pull this out when I need it and then put it back. I even saw a video of some people who are doing podcasting. They had like a laptop up here and various podcast stuff down here. They just rolled it out when they're ready to do their podcast, and when it's time to put it back in the closet, away it goes. So before we put this thing away, let's see what it says here. Olympia tools, making jobs easier, rock and roll, service cart, foldable to 8-inch wide for easy storage, security locks, open and close, 3 shelves for holding items, dual material comfort handles, a key, 3 swivel wheels, 3-inch swivel wheels rather, so the wheels are 3 inches. Sleek modern design. So I think that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, the Olympia Tools Pack and Roll Service Cart. Very happy with it, and especially happy that no assembly whatsoever was required. Cool.